Director of Public Prosecutions Noordin Haji has ordered for the arrest of businessman Humphrey Kariuki and 8 other employees of Africa Spirit Limited and Wow Beverages for various charges.
Kariuki and his companies are accused of evading tax worth 41.5 billion shillings from the year 2014. Also in the list are the director of Africa Spirits Limited, Peter Jenga Kuria, the company's tax manager, Kefa Kure, and the assistant production manager, Setu Prabhu.
Directors of Wow Beverages, Stuart Gerald and Robert Thindi Murithi, are also to be arrested. A total of 7 charges have been preferred against the accused, including tax evasion, possession of counterfeit stamps and fraud.
In January, a multi-agency team raided the premises and found 80 drums of suspected uncustomed ethanol, reels of counterfeit excise stamps and 41,000 cartons of assorted alcoholic drinks affixed with counterfeit stamps.